Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in today's video, I'll share my definition of friendship and relationships with humans and how I stayed away from creating negative karma. So I've seen creating negative karma, bad karma, people actually have sort of, they do not have clarity on this topic. They think that just by doing wrong to others is creating bad karma. No, there are several other ways through which you create negative karma. So since my childhood, there were one particular thing which was repeated. I saw all age groups swearing falsely. I saw kids of my age, younger than me, elder than me, who used to swear unnecessary just to prove themselves right in front of other people. And I saw women swearing on divine's name many times, and wherein they knew they are wrong, and I can always recognize they are the liars. But they had a mindset that if somebody is not believing them, if they were trying to explain for something shit they have done and they want other people to believe what they are saying, they used to swear falsely. Many times I've seen them swearing on their on divine, and sometimes on their family member, so that other people will believe. And so after seeing this situation, I also faced one thing, that these people who were part of either my school friends, my family, relatives, or many times in office also, people who had a sort of relationship that they are friends. So they used to expect, even though if they are wrong, I should support them. But my definition was clear, that I would never support any wrong person. By wrong means people who cheat, deceit, does wrong to others, manipulate and build a false image by being wrong and trying to pretend somebody they are right, and hurt others, or using others. So I was clear, I will never support these people, even though if they are in connection with me. But I was also clear, first of all, I will not let these people to be part of my life. But maybe because of some reason, some situation wherein I did not recognize their face immediately, but I do recognize after some time, then they'll be removed. But there were people from family and friends, so many times I heard this statement from my own female friends, that you are my friend and you cannot support other person. And wherein the situation was, they were wrong. People who had title of my friend, they were wrong in that particular situation, and the other person was right. So I supported the person who was right. And then they started questioning, no, you should not, you should not do that, you cannot do that. So I said, it is your definition, not my definition. I do not support wrong people. Wherein in my family, nobody raised this question, because they have seen this since my childhood. I do not support wrong people. I also do not do wrong things. So this was clear. But this thing I also recognized, when your own karmas are cleansed, you are good, your intentions are good, have not done anything wrong to anyone. And when you support wrong people who are part of your life, be it your friends, family, relatives, husband, wife, or maybe some other relationship, and wherein your karmas are cleansed, but you are supporting that person who has done wrong to other person or any other wrong thing, in that and because you hold some sort of relationship title with them, be it friends, mother or parents or anything. So in that case also, you are creating negative karma. So it was my decision to keep my karmas cleansed, remain pure as I was created by the divine. And it was a decision for not lying, never doing anything wrong to anyone, and wanted to stay into my pure, in my own self. So and also never try to build any sort of image in front of anyone. I have always been myself, which has helped me a lot. So this decision which I took that time, that was the reason that I understood how can I protect my purity while staying in such environment. Because I did not see anyone during my childhood, somebody who was pure. No, everybody has been manipulative, selfish. So I knew that I cannot pull myself away from these humans right now, because I wasn't financially independent that time. So it is about a childhood situation. So then it was a solution that never support these people and remain pure. So yeah, so that has worked. So that was my definition, which has helped me. I have seen in India, if I talk about, there is in many states it is a dowry system. So boys who supports their parents wherein they haven't done anything wrong, but when parents ask for dowry, the guy will not say anything, will say, I'll agree with my parents, whatever my parents said. And also if they have gotten those, you know, dowry amount, and then the female has come to their place, they'll again keep on supporting their parents in all sort of shits what they do to this, you know, bride. Then in that case, when they start getting, you know, the karma after getting married, I've seen people getting that karma. So they say, oh, I haven't done anything wrong in my life, why this is happening with me? So if you are supporting even your parents, your siblings, in anything wrong they do, wherein everybody is aware about negative things, negative karma, then also you will be paying for this karma. So if you're a real twin flame, first of all, this guidance is for everybody. It is not about twin flame that who should take care of their karma. So this was a frequent statement I heard from few people who were actually right, I would say, who were not selfish. So what they used to do, I have a cousin, you know, cousin brother. So he's actually a nice person. So he has elder brother who has involved into all sort of, you know, wrong things, doing wrong to others, and including his mother. So he keep on supporting his mother and elder brother in all, like, you know, whenever they have been punished. So he used to go ahead and support them and protect them. And then later on, what has happened, this mother and this elder brother took all properties, all finances away from this you know, cousin brother by cheating on him. And then he was of course in shock, because he has done a lot of things. Now I met him after a long time. He was saying, like, you know, all wrong people are always happy, only the people who are good, they are always in pain. I said, like, you know, this is not the truth. Good people can stay happily on earth if they, you know, take care of their karma, mindset, and lot of other things. So I told him, I've seen you supporting your elder brother and your mother, wherein you know they are wrong, I know they are wrong. So that was a karma which you have created. You will have to pay for it, and which you started actually getting after your marriage. So he was clear, he had to agree with me. So, and then this situation arose again after even meeting me. So he said what to do. His brother again did something and asking for him to support him. I said, I have already told you, if you want to support him, go ahead and support, but do not blame divine that, you know, right people are always in pain. You are creating a you know, a negative karma. So my like, you know, what the main purpose of this video is, that you have to be very clear. If you want to live happily, and if you you know, think that you have not done anything wrong in your life, and still you being punished, no, you're not being punished, you are getting your karma. So it is so normal for a lot of people. I have seen almost for everybody, especially when it comes about supporting their own family members, when they know that that person is wrong. So you are also creating you know, bad karma. So take care of this thing in case you are a real twin flame, when you start doing your energy work. And if you're not changing all these things, you will keep on, you know, staying in pain. So this is one thing. Another situation I have seen in my life, there was a female. So she was looking for a relationship, like wanted to get married. Then there was a guy who was interested. So he was coming from one city to you know, to that place where this girl was staying with her family. So once this guy reached along with his family to, you know, to get ready, you know, to be in a relationship with this girl. So girl said, you know, I don't have any problem in marrying you, but then I do not want to stay with your parents. So this guy said, like, you know, this is wrong. You could have told me earlier. So I was on call actually with this girl. I was in office. So either she made me talk to him or was on speaker. So I said, yeah, he's right. You know, why would he leave his parents after marriage? So all of a sudden this girl said, like, you know, you cannot say that. You know, you should support me. You are my friend, not him, you know, not his friend. You do not even know him. I said, it is not about knowing him or knowing you. You are actually talking wrong thing, because if you could have told him, you know, before he decided to visit your family, that it is your terms and condition, you do not want to stay with his parents after marriage, do you really think he will even decide to come to talk to you? Marriage is way far, you know, away from this. So she was making faces. I said, then she said, like, you know, how could you even say that? I said, my definitions are clear. Even though if you're a friend, I will never support you for wrong things. So this is another thing which I heard. So people expect. So my decision was clear that I would never support wrong people ever in my life. But again, I had one conversation with myself. if there is somebody in my life who is actually right, honest, has not done anything wrong to anyone, and still being pulled in some sort of, dirty situation, when somebody is trying to damage them, hurt them, deceive them, I will be the one to protect you, take a stand for you. And when I support somebody, nobody can stand there then. You will always win. So I knew this is my power. If I'm supporting somebody, they'll always win, even though if there is a wrong person. So one situation happened before my awakening. There was a family member who took my help and told me some lie about a situation. So I thought he was honest about that particular situation, and I was already in a lot of pain because I was going through dark night of the soul. So I supported that person. It was a multinational company whose HR had to bow down in front of me. So I knew I again have a lot of experience and I was supporting this person. But after spiritual awakening, this truth got revealed to me. Then I told him a lot of things, that he will never have support from me no matter what. And that person is again very close to me because he's from family. So it was like, I felt guilty that you took my help by lying to me. And I did not recognize it that time. But yeah, truth will always get open no matter how hard you try to, hide it. So this person apologized. I said, it is not going to work now. I had to be clear, if such circumstances arises in your life, I will never support you. Yes, but I felt guilty that I've supported a person who was actually lying to me. So this is my power. So if you're a twin flame, please realize you hold a lot of power. So the reason for making this video today, there are people that keep on supporting other person. And if you're a female or if you're a masculine listening to me, once you get married, what if you marry a wrong person who does all these shit, and you will support that person because you are married to that person? So you are also creating bad karma, which you will pay for it. And it is not decided when will you pay for that particular karma, and in what type, in what phases. So but karma has already been created, so you will pay for it. So you have to be very clear. I have always been clear. That is why my definition was completely clear. I will never support any wrong person, but if there is a right person who is weak, not able to take a stand for themselves, I will always be supporting them. Because of this habit, I have been into trouble many times while supporting these people, even strangers who I did not know, many times. So I have taken a lot of risk in my life, but this was sort of a thing on which I had to do some sort of changes, which I did only after the guidance from the divine, because it was needed. So this was sort of a weakness, that you go ahead and support anybody and everybody, which is not right, because I could not. Okay, so it was clear to me that this person is weak and is not able to support themselves because they do not have power, and the other person who is trying to overpower them because of their either designation or any other thing which they hold. So that was particular scenario wherein I have been supporting people. So I had to make a lot of changes, and I never created any bad karma, but I had lot of karmic lessons to be learned, because of which I took this much time. But finally I'm happy that as there were no karma, no negative karma, it was things I had to clear and karmic lessons I had to learn. Many times people think that as they haven't done any wrong karma, and still they are being punished or they are in pain because of other person is trying to do something wrong to them. So understand, either there is a karmic lesson, it is a karmic lesson, and this particular thing which I have explained for not supporting wrong people in your life is also a way of protecting your own karma. So this was a way I found that how can I remain pure while being in the surrounding of such people who always lie, who always cheat, who always hurt and manipulate others. I will not do all of those things, but how can I keep my karmas cleansed and remain in my own purity? This was a way for not supporting and taking a stand for wrong people. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.